Hi, this video will talk about share settings and how they're used within Google Drive and the various Google Doc apps. So here you'll notice up at the top right hand corner I've got an open Google Doc that I'm looking to potentially share with a colleague or students. At this point you'll see the lock on the share button, and if you hover over it'll tell you it's private only to you. In order to access the share settings, click the share button and the settings will load. At this point, you can type a colleague's name, click their name, and at that point you can choose whether they can edit, can comment, or just can view the document. Here you can add a note letting them know why they're receiving the document or what you expect from them. You can tap advanced settings. That'll give you some more options. These options, the owner settings at the bottom, if you do not want that person to be able to download, print, and copy, unless they have edit access, you would highlight this button. If you do not want anyone to be able to change access, you can click this button. When you're ready to share the document with this person, all you need to do is hit send. There might be times to where you want others to have access to this document without individually adding them. At that point, you can share a link. And in order to get to your link share settings, you would go to who has access, which is under the advanced tab. You can hit change and then options will show. If you only want people within the K-12 Albemarle organization to be able to view this link, you would select the next one up. On the link sharing, from top to bottom, they are the least restrictive to the most restrictive. For example, the top setting, public on the web, meaning anyone with a link can access your document. It might also then turn up in search engines as well. With this link, the same settings can be changed, whether they can view, comment, or edit. Obviously, if you're choosing this option, my suggestion would be can view. Another option, probably the most common option, would be to share anyone with a link within our organization. If this is shared, anyone that has a Google account ending with @k12albemarle.org will be able to access this document, and you can choose whether they can view, edit, or comment. That's a look at the share settings within a document. You can also change share settings from My Drive without having to access the document itself. To do this, you would find a document. You can right-click on that document and choose the share icon there. You'll notice the share settings look very similar to what they were within a document. You can type a colleague's name. You can choose the advanced settings as well as getting a shareable link with the same settings as mentioned before. Within these share settings, they can be changed to allow multiple items happening at the same time. I can invite another member of my organization to where she then would have edit access, but I could change the link sharing to where anyone within my organization can view the document. It does not have to be one or the other. You can use both to allow multiple editors and multiple viewers.